Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your system and backing up the current lock screen. This prevents lost settings. Next, collect high-resolution images and save clear file paths so Windows or Linux can find them. Install any helper apps now, for example, Wallpaper Engine or a lock screen manager, because once done you'll need them configured. Make sure your account has admin rights, otherwise some changes won't apply. This step jumps you straight into the process, so start the file organization and tool install immediately. Now you configure the lock screen itself. Open Settings, then Personalization, then Lock Screen. On Linux, use your desktop environment controls. Choose Picture for a single image, Slideshow for a rotating set, or a third-party app for dynamic content. Pick based on performance and battery impact. Once done, set timeout notifications and whether the camera or widgets show. These choices affect usability and privacy. Test your selection by locking the screen. If transitions are slow, reduce image resolution or switch. Finish by applying changes and immediately locking or signing out to confirm the result. You want to see exactly how users will. If it fails, check file permissions first, then clear the settings or GNOME cache, and finally reinstall any helper app. These fixes resolve most problems. Make sure you keep a backup copy of images and a short note of steps you performed so you can restore or replicate the setup. One troubleshooting tip: restart Explorer or the desktop session before deeper changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.